Updating your corporate address on Vidyard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your Vidyard account. Access your Vidyard account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your corporate information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Company Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Company Information or Business Details. Click on this option to view your current corporate address and other related information. Step 4. Update your address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use this rook to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes and confirm that your new address is now reflected in your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your corporate address up to date on Vidyard. Regularly check your account information to ensure everything remains accurate.